Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2009 International Durastar we have for sale. It's a 7.6 International max force engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. It's got 270,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to, I think, BNSF Railroad, one of the railroads it belonged to. It's got a 14-foot maintainer body. Maintainer 6000 series crane, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, tons of toolboxes, and it's a really nice truck, especially for 270,000 miles. I'll walk around and show it to you. Power windows, power locks. It's got the feet there that go on the bottom of the outriggers. Norfolk Southern, that's what it belonged to. See the sticker on it. Open space here, a deck for a welder. Fortunately, they always 9 times out of 10 pull the welders off of them. Start it up. So you're gonna have to put an air hose and reel on it. Basically all you need is the hose and reel and just hook on right up there. This compressor has 45 hours on it, so pretty low hours on it. Your outriggers are back here. You have to pull that out while you're working these levers. Outriggers down. Obviously it's hard to do that and hold the camera at the same time. Work lights. Those three are working. Looks like that one's not working. Got a couple over here. This thing has string lights inside the bed, yeah. All right. Turned away from the sun here. All right, so if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking at a state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck straight to you. You're probably going to be around $250, $3 a mile. I had it shipped in so we can ship them out. That is something I could do for you. Just keep in mind we're a dispatcher, so what we do is post it on a dispatch board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to Kansas or New York or Oklahoma. We want to take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready to leave when you pay for the truck. Normally 3 to 7 days you'll have the truck. On a truck like this, a big truck, it's going to take a special trailer, so it could be a little longer, but still I can normally get it in 3 to 7 days. If you decide to come here and drive it back home, which you're welcome to do, we're open Monday through Friday 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. I guess that's about it on this one. The important things, it is 33,000 GVWR, and it's an air brake truck, so you're looking at a CDL driver on this one. Trying to think. I guess that's it. This is a really nice truck. Drives good. Makes somebody a good truck. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.